What's up, people? Hume's Family Vlogs back out here with another video. Uh, my wife's car is a real piece of junk right now, man. So last video, you guys watched me do the brakes on this thing. I did front rotors, all new pads, all the works. They all work pretty well now. Well, then we went and did Christmas, and I got a check engine light. I forgot the code, but it was for a pressure sensor on the crankcase. Went ahead and I just fixed that about 2 hours ago, off camera. And then I went for another test drive. I romped on it, and now I got misfire on cylinder 1 and cylinder 2.
Well, because you switched it.
Well, I switched it around and I figured out that it was cylinder 1. Well, cylinder 2 was bad too, but whatever. Either way, we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace all the ignition coils and spark plugs on this bad boy. Figured I'd go ahead and just bust out the camera. If there's any other issues after this, it's probably just going to go to the shop, because I'll be 100% with y'all, man. I'm not a mechanic. And I've said this before. I just typically go off of whatever the code scanner says, and that don't always work out for me. Often I spend a whole bunch of money, and then it goes to the shop anyway. So y'all can hate on me if you want. I put in effort. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hand the camera over to my wife, though. We're gonna turn this heater back on. We're gonna try to show you guys. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there on how to do it, and I actually just watched one, so my video probably won't be the best, but I'm gonna try anyway. So y'all just stay tuned for all that crazy shit. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna turn this heater back on.
Yeah, my legs are a little cold.
Alright. In case you guys are wondering, it is an 8mm socket.
You a little short or what?
Yeah. Lifted vehicle problem. It's not all that big. It's got a. I'm pretty sure it's like
It's
a 2-inch.
still taller than your truck.
Yeah,
well.
it's still taller than my truck. I gotta go up higher.
Even though I have a hard time getting in your truck.
Yeah.
But you don't have the side rails, so.
No, I took them all. You don't need them things.
For a pregnant woman, yeah, you do.
We're overrated.
Bullshit.
Good Lord.
So what are you trying to take out first?
This bolt that's like 10 miles long. There you go.
Wow.
Okay. So I figured out a little trick with these wires, man. You get yourself a little pick right here. Maybe not all bent up. Mine's all bent up. Then you can go ahead and you can get in here. You gotta pull this red tab back right here. Then you can get in here. Give her a good old yanking. Just like that. And then you grab a hold of this bad boy and it comes out. Just throw that in the junk pile.
Well, yeah, I even got that on it. It's warm though.
I guess I'll do one at a time. I'll go get the new
Why don't
stuff.
you just take all of them out and then put all the new ones in?
I guess. I don't know.
Might as well. You got the pick right there.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to pull the red tab there. Oopsies.
After you told everybody to pull it out, you forgot it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't hate on me. I'm not professional. If I was professional, I'd probably have a much nicer house.
Wow. You got a nice house.
What a heap of junk. There we go.
And it's number 2. Really? Wow.
That's how I felt about that one.
I thought you said good. I think you put good on it. Not that.
Oh my goodness.
You need a bigger step stool?
I need something special. Need that light. Give me that Craftsman light.
Now you can see Jesus. Hold on.
Holy crap. Point that thing right there.
See, I can't hold it, so.
Ah. I don't think I'm getting it in there right. Gotta get close and personal. Oh my goodness. Ah, I can't get that one.
Are you having a hard time getting the tab off?
There we go. I got it. There we go. A little stuck.
Is that why you meant that the back ones are hard?
Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna put the new parts in.
Or at least this side.
On this side, yep.
You're like, oh. Yeah, don't mix those up.
Well, I gotta get the spark plugs out first. I
Yeah.
almost forgot.
Yeah, you better get those out. Since you're gonna replace those.
Hopefully this is the right size. Here.
Are you bleeding?
Yeah. Holy shit.
What?
Them are deep.
They're what?
That's a deep hole.
That's what she said.
Oh. Them were a little tighter than I think they should have been.
Don't look at the shit. Honey, you're really bleeding.
That's alright.
Don't get it on my white. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to look like no murder scene.
I hate spark plugs.
What are you doing? Unscrewing it or what?
There we go.
Oh, you want a new one?
That actually looks pretty fried.
Do you want a new one?
It actually, I don't know. That probably ain't all that bad, really. But
Well, we got a new one. We're gonna get a new one.
Yeah. I want to do.
Are they all the same?
Yeah. I'd say that's good enough to me. All right, next.
Come on, baby, you got it. I thought maybe you just lost your step.
I thought I was going down, guys.
I heard it.
Oh, for real? I get caught up.
Really tweaking that thing. How's that one?
I don't know. They're fried on the ends, but
Well, we got new ones, so we'll just replace it. Where'd you put the old one? Other one?
we quite honestly don't know how to tell if a spark plug is bad.
Well,
I'm assuming if they look fried like that, they're probably not very good.
here, just tip your hand. There you go.
I think we're gonna do away with this extension.
you sure you don't want the other extension?
Nah, it'll be alright. Because I can't use it back here anyway.
Oh, alright. Careful! Please don't fall!
Damn. Alright. Next.
What do you want?
I gotta get this spark plug back here. This one ought to suck. Okay. Get on there. Get in that hole.
That's what she said.
Let being a dumbass.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I gotta go the other way there.
Get it?
Yeah.
There you go. Did that help?
No, I'm not very smart.
You were going the opposite way, weren't you?
Yeah. I just did it twice. Come on. Damn spark plug. I got it. I got it. Okay.
Got the old one? That one looks worse than the other one.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that one. Holy shit. Alright. Now I gotta open the big pack. Trying to do this with my hand. Why did they... That's so dumb. Boxes after boxes.
That's how it is.
Let me dump it. There you go. Please don't fall this time. You act like you're pregnant or something. That's what I look like when I'm pregnant. I go, oh.
I don't feel right. Come on now. Thread in there very nicely for me. You can do it. It's okay.
Just get it in the hole.
Yeah, I'm playing the feel around game. I don't want to fucking strip it. That's the last thing you want to do is strip it. That's why I always do it with my hands first. Not working very well.
Are you getting it?
No. There we go. I think I got it now. Yeah. I'm a smart guy sometimes. Now we just torque that bad puppy down. This is rough. If you're a mechanic, I appreciate you. I don't think I could do this for a living. Ah, come on now, is it going in? Or what? There we go, we just hit bottom. There we go. Ah. Okay. Now we put coils in.
They're in the big box. I'll let you grab that because I got one hand. Now, are they all the same, or do you have to put one in certain hole?
No, it don't matter.
Okay.
Now, I'm not sponsored or nothing, but if you want a Ford, they actually recommend Motorcraft. But I have been told that it's alright to use Duralast. So that's what I got. Come on.
What do you want? This?
No, I want the 8.
Oh, I need to get smaller?
The 8mm that I had.
That one. Yeah, I put it in my pocket so I wouldn't lose it or drop it.
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Next.
Is that another one? Why is it so shiny? There you go. Oh man. I'm over here dropping stuff.
You want to make sure when you reinstall it gets put on the spark plug. And that's all nice and tight. I think I got this. Well, next.
Hey, I'm just glad it's going so smooth. Knock on wood. Hold up. Knock on wood. Gotta knock on wood.
You'll wait until we get to 6.
Wow. Hey, I'm just glad this is going good. So.
We don't got to talk about 6 yet. So I actually want to do a test start now. The problem was over here with cylinder 1 and 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start it up, see what she sounds like. So hopefully the issue will be.
Take the light. Get the light off. I don't want to leave the light on the engine.
Yeah, I gotta get the light.
Got the car key?
Yeah. Go ahead and fire it up. Should sound a little better. I'm over here throwing stuff on the ground. Yep. Oh, it feels a lot smoother. Rev it up a little bit. Wow, that's smooth. All right, shut it off. All right, folks. So I just finished the passenger side. That was the easy side, actually. On this driver's side here, if you guys are a Ford owner, maybe you own an F-150 or an Expedition, I'm pretty sure it's all the same. I think it's actually the same. 4 or 5 are pretty easy. 6 is underneath that cover there.
No, we gotta take off.
I can't reach it right now, but there's some things that you have to remove to get to 6. So I don't know how much of all this I'll show. I'll probably cut it up into sections or whatever. But we'll talk about that here in a minute, and I'll show you guys how complicated that is. But stay tuned for the rest. All right, folks. I just finished up with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're on 6 now. Now, on the video that I watched, apparently you gotta take this off. It's like a little blow-off valve thing, I'm guessing. I'm not really sure. I think it has something to do with the turbo. I'm not a mechanic. Either way, to be honest with you, to the looks of it, all I gotta do is unplug this harness here, and I should be able to get down to it.
Show where it's at.
I don't know if you guys got a good shot of that or not, but either way, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna undo this harness here, and it appears that I should be able to just pull out the coil pack and replace it. It'll be all good. So we're gonna find out the hard way for you. Okay. I don't want this because that's too big. Okay. This is hard. Here you go. I don't need that right now. Come on, you little piece of poo. Ah. Yeah, boy. Now we got it. Okay. Okay. And that just proves my point right there. The guy on YouTube I watched is a liar. Okay.
Wow.
Oh my god, that one's really tight. Why is that so tight?
Come on, babe. It's the last one.
Oh my lord, that's
Put your
bad.
ass into it.
That's bad. The other ones weren't that tight.
Come on, honey. Take a
We're
deep
gonna go
breath.
take a nap real quick.
Oh my gosh.
I can't get it. That ain't fucking good. I didn't have to put that much effort into the other ones.
Yeah, your face is really red. Make sure you go in the right way, by the way.
Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Maybe I'm being a dumbass again.
Well, you did it earlier on number 3. So make sure you go in the right way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Would it be this way? I got pulled toward. Fuck. Alright. Cut. Cut. Alright, people, so we just finished up. Ignition coil 6 wasn't very hard. If you watch a video on that and the guy says you gotta remove what I'm gonna call the turbo blow off valve, I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I don't know.
You didn't have to. It was behind it.
Yeah, you don't have to. So don't listen to that. That spark plug was very tight though. I had to use a like a 2-foot bar to get that undone. So, but either way, blah blah blah, whatever. We're gonna go for a test drive. We're gonna see if we get any flash and check engine lights. Hopefully, I just see a power gain and better performance because I'll tell you, this thing's been real sluggish past couple weeks. So, cross your fingers for me. We're gonna go ahead and clean up and get going on the road. You guys stay tuned. Alright, people, so we're on the test drive that I had talked about doing. We actually drove it around for about half an hour now and dropped off little Squirt. She's at grandma's house now. And so it's honestly been doing pretty well. But we're getting ready to merge onto the highway here. I figured I'd go ahead and give her the sauce until we get to the speed limit. So we're gonna aggressively get to the speed limit here in a minute. I'm gonna have my wife turn this flashlight off and I'm gonna go ahead and just go. I'm gonna put you right here. How about that? Hopefully there's not any more problems. I guess we'll find out the hard way here in a minute. As soon as all this traffic gets out of my way.
Okay, you're at the speed limit. You're way over the speed limit.
I would say it's doing pretty well. Anyway, I know you guys can't see me no more, but go ahead and hit the like, comment, subscribe, all that crazy stuff. I'll be trying to drop more content this summer. I got a lot of big goals for 2026. I know I didn't make a video on it, but Happy New Year's to everybody. This is Saturday, so
Just watch
it's...
this dude. I don't know what he's doing.
What is it, like the 3rd? I think today's the 3rd, so...
I don't know.
Either way, it don't matter. Happy New Year's.
The 2nd.
And you guys stay tuned for the rest of the content. I'm going to turn this camera off and drive home.